I can make your hands clap. Ba, 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 ba.
Hey guys, it's Crystal here with A Broke Plant Eater. Welcome back if you were a subscriber, and if you are not a subscriber, hopefully by the end of this video, you will want to click that subscribe button. I don't really know in which corner it is, but you'll want to click it because you are going to be so excited to watch all of the other recipes on this channel. Either way, it is one of the most exciting weekends in America. I don't know where you are, but in America, it is Memorial Day weekend, which does not mean that you just get a 3-day weekend. It means that we are the land of the free because of the brave. Thank you so much to all of our vets and military families for everything that you have to sacrifice with your loved ones being out. But for sure, thank you, thank you, thank you. And we get to kick off barbecue season. So I'm still battling a cold. I'm not battling a cold, it just like is still there. I'm definitely gonna be drinking my golden milk as soon as I'm done this video. But I'm going to be helping you with some barbecue ideas in the next few videos. So today we are going to be making a Mexican pasta salad. So of course it's vegan, but you will not be getting one of those questions that always happens whenever you bring a dish to a barbecue. So I feel like you always get, is that vegan, right? But you don't get it, hey, is that vegan? You get, is that vegan? Or you get, is that vegan? So no one is going to be questioning who made the damn pasta salad because it's going to be so delicious and it's a little spicy, so there's a little bit of heat, and you can eat an entire bowl and be full just in case the only thing that they have for you as a vegan is a tray of vegetables. So as usual, I have placed all of the ingredients on a little card that I am going to show you. Get ready to screenshot because here it is. All right, so first things first is I have actually kind of sort of halved this recipe for this video. So I will have the full recipe in the description box below so that you can get that and take away measurements and add measurements as you wish. This is the full recipe for the mayo because it is so creamy and delicious that if I were to make an entire batch of this pasta salad, I would probably double the mayo, so keep that in mind. So in here I have a half a cup of vegan mayo, so this is Vegenaise, and I am going to be adding some lime juice. So this is going to be like a chili lime mayo. Yeah. In here I have chili powder, I have smoked paprika, and I have cumin. You can even add, if you have those chipotle peppers in the can that like Goya makes, you can get a couple tablespoons of just the adobo sauce that those chipotle peppers come in, and you can put that in here if you really like a lot of heat. But if you are a faithful watcher of A Broke Plant Eater, you will know that I like heat, but heat does not like me. So you're just gonna whip this around and make your mayo. You can totally put this in like a squeeze bottle and have this for like in place of sour cream, like on your tacos. It is so banging, y'all. Oh, so good. I wish I liked heat a lot more because I'd probably make it even spicier. So I'll like leave some substitutions that you can put in here to make it even spicier. But that is basically what it looks like. All of those colors really come through. And dude, that's like how easy it is. Just set it aside now. So I have cooked some brown rice noodles. So this is gluten-free, if mayo is gluten-free. I'm gonna have to Google that. So here is some gluten-free pasta. It is rice pasta. It is super full of protein. It is actually brown rice and quinoa pasta. And it's pretty cheap to buy. So I'm going to be adding in some bell peppers. I have orange, I have yellow. We're gonna be throwing in some black beans. You can throw in pinto beans if you like pinto beans more. Throwing in some canned corn. This would be really, really good if you grilled some corn on the cob and then like kind of char grilled it and then you cut that off. Just an option. And then I have some cherry tomatoes and I have some avocado that I have chopped up, and I have actually covered with some lime juice so that they don't brown. Here for seasonings, we just have like garlic and onion powder, which I think is like a staple for any recipe. And then we have dried cilantro. I didn't have fresh cilantro, so if you had fresh cilantro, you could use that. You can use about a 1/4 cup chopped up, but this is just 2 teaspoons. And we're gonna add some salt and pepper. I already like can't wait to put this in the fridge and eat it. I always volunteer to bring stuff like this because I know I'm gonna be able to eat it. That's what I always do. I always ask if I can bring anything, and then I bring something that'll be filling enough for me. That is what you should do. You're gonna toss all of this right into your pasta salad. And if you guys are like not a fan of mayo, you can totally make this an exact recipe with like vegan sour cream. Make your sour cream out of like cashews and stuff like that. So at this point, you're just gonna mix this up. It's so pretty, so pretty. I love colorful food. I got a button at a vegan fair, and it said that I pledged to eat colorfully, and I just thought that was like the smartest way of like putting this plant-based with vegan love diet like into words. Just eat colorfully. Got a lot of colors on your plate. You're good to go. So just make sure that you get that all the way through. That is so, it looks so creamy and delicious and like full of flavor. So at this point, if I had green onion or red onion, because I love red onion, I would have thrown some red onion in here, but I don't have any red onion. I only have yellow onion and white onion, and those are a little strong for the flavors that I don't want them to like overpower anything. You know, the red onion has kind of like a bite to it, so it would add a lot to this, and the green onion would totally blend in well with these. So those will definitely be in that recipe that's linked in the description box below. But for the sake of this video, because I wanted you to be able to have something to bring to a barbecue at least this weekend, we have made this pasta salad without it. I'm going to grab a fork. I don't have one. I got a fork. All right, so I'm just gonna take a bite to make sure that it doesn't need any other spices, like salt and pepper mostly. That is so freaking good, y'all. Like, even I could use like a little bit more spice in this. I was trying to tone it down because I have the recipe and I didn't want to go a little bananas with it. So I'm just gonna add a little bit of black pepper. I know what you're thinking. Black pepper's not spicy, but for your girl, black pepper's spicy. All right. Oh my God, it smells like so effing good. Did I show you guys what it looks like? Because I'm over here just like mixing it and eating it. But look at how beautiful. Is that in the way? How delicious does that look? I'm actually gonna grab a serving dish that I would bring this. Oh, I have cantaloupe in that. I'm just gonna eat this and think about where I'm gonna put that. So good. And just so you know, gluten-free pasta tends to have a lot more protein and some better ingredients for you. So even if you're not gluten-free, like I am not, we always buy gluten-free pasta because chickpea pasta, brown rice quinoa pasta, those kinds of rice or those kinds of pastas tend to make you feel a lot fuller faster. And you know, I'm trying to stretch my dollar. No one is going to ask you who the hell made this pasta salad. And if they do, it's going to be because they want the recipe. So that is it, you guys. I hope you see how easy that recipe is. I hope you want to make that recipe. I hope your friends and your family enjoy that recipe just as much as I know you will enjoy this recipe. If you happen to make this recipe or any of the other recipes found on this channel, please don't forget to hashtag #ABrokePlantEater. I am on Instagram and I am on Facebook. Also, if you are not a subscriber, I hope that I have changed your mind and you definitely want to hit the subscribe button. You don't want to miss any new videos that I have coming out because I always post on Wednesdays and Saturdays. I want to be notified every time a new video goes up so you can see what's going on in a broke plant eater's world. So, with that being said, I need your help, guys. I want to know. Leave a comment down below. Our next video, sweet or savory? We're definitely going to stick in the barbecue theme to get you through this summer. Totally going to get you through this summer, and it's not going to be expensive. It's going to be delicious and healthy and inexpensive, which is like really hard to do sometimes. So, if you want to see a sweet recipe in our next video, go ahead and leave a comment and say sweet. If you want to see a savory recipe, leave a comment that says savory. Until next time, guys, thanks for watching. Be gone! Some bell peppers. I have yellow. That's orange. I have cantaloupe in that. And honeydew in my other one. What? This is delicious. That heat's starting to kick in for me.